Hi, my name is Lakshmi Narasimhan. I'm a solutions architect from Amazon Web Services, supporting aerospace and satellite solutions business for Asia Pacific region. I would like to thank the Asia Pacific Satellite Communications Council for providing us with an opportunity to showcase how Amazon Web Services is helping the satellite and space communication industry adopt AWS Cloud for various applications. In the series of APSCC webinars, this is part 2 and final session of the AWS Aerospace and Satellite Solutions Cloud Journey in Asia Pacific, a special mini series brought to you by AWS. In part 1, we discussed how space and the satellite industry in general is transforming and operating their workloads on AWS Cloud in a secure and scalable manner, deriving benefits such as elasticity, agility, low cost at a global scale, with special focus on Asia Pacific regions and customers. Today, I'm here to focus on a specific application, video services. I want to share how satellite operators can unlock new business value by modernizing their content distribution system on AWS Cloud. With consumer video consumption patterns changing and evolving continuously, the need to have an elastic, scalable, and agile infrastructure supporting the dynamic consumer patterns at low cost becomes all the more important. In today's agenda, we will take a look on video business trends across Asia, Pacific, and worldwide, why modernization plays a critical role to satellite operators, how does a traditional architecture look like. We will learn how AWS can help modernize satellite operator content distribution infrastructure and go over some network architectures. Closing the session, we will look at key benefits of modernization and how does it help the customer to overcome the challenges with the traditional architectures. With the explosion of internet across the globe, consumers now have more options to experience high-speed internet broadband services. Satellite technologies such as next-generation high-throughput HTS satellites in different satellite orbits, mobile networks with 4G LTE, 5G capabilities, terrestrial internet broadband are some of the technologies giving the power at the consumer's hands to consume video content from all over across the globe. In the last decade alone, over-the-top OTT and video revenue in Asia Pacific region has exponentially increased from $0.7 billion to $18.4 billion. With consumer patterns being very dynamic, content providers want to have maximum reach by making their content support multi-resolution, multi-screen, and multi-format delivery. With global content delivery networks, consumers are now able to have a secure, low latency, and seamless video viewing experience. Technologies such as adaptive bit rates and cloud are helping customers to view video content seamlessly under any bandwidth conditions and on any device. The total number of subscribers worldwide have almost doubled from 2,600 million to 4,200 million in the last 5 years, and it is forecasted to increase by an average of 5% year on year till 2025. Satellite operators providing content distribution services can play an active role by building new and innovative solutions on AWS Cloud that can help them distribute the content supporting multi-resolution, multi-screen and multi-format delivery at speed, scale, and low cost without needing to worry about infrastructure. This ability enables satellite operators to take on the undifferentiated heavy lifting from the content owners or providers by processing their content on the cloud and making their content ready for distribution to multiple platforms such as satellite, pay TV, OTT streaming services, etc. The content owners or providers then can focus only on creating high quality content and find innovative ways to expand their geographical coverage to attract more subscribers. Firstly, why do we need to modernize content distribution systems for satellite operators? If we take a look at the traditional content distribution architecture for satellite operators, there are multiple challenges that operators face today. And some of it are to keeping pace with dynamic consumer demands, large upfront capital to build the content distribution infrastructure, involving multiple suppliers, challenging procurement contracts with no one size fits for all, expensive and complex to maintain, technology refresh requiring hardware, software, and licensing upgrades. Inelastic scaling can be due to lead time from equipment availability, software, or license limitations. Aggregating content from global locations at the uplink teleport in a reliable, highly available, and secure manner is one of a big challenge that they face today. Today, if we take a look at how the video content flows across various blocks, starting right from the content origination to the satellite operator uplink teleport, we see how multiple partners are required to deliver a single content workflow, starting from the fiber providers. For video transport, customers need to worry about if the connectivity is optimized to transport video, to have low jitter, low latency for a consistent superior video performance. Multiple original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, to perform encoding, multiplexing, playout, and other workflow related activities. So imagine how easy it will be for the satellite operators if all of these can be done within from a single cloud console. How can we make it easy for satellite operators to deliver a seamless end-to-end video workflow and deliver value to their content providers and thereby creating new business opportunities for their own organization? We will cover those points in the following slides. AWS Managed Services help customers modernize their content distribution systems and benefit from cloud elasticity, flexibility, and scale. For example, AWS Elemental Media Connect, a fully managed service which enables customers to transport content from across the globe to their preferred region, location of their uplink teleport in a matter of clicks, providing an uptime of up to 99.9%. This provides confidence to satellite operators to take ownership of bringing the content from the origination location to their uplink teleport. AWS Elemental Media Live, a fully managed broadcast-grade live video encoding service, letting your customers create high-quality video streams for multi-screen delivery, such as broadcast, TV, platform, connected devices such as tablets, set-top boxes, OTT devices for live events, and 24/7 channels. AWS Elemental Media Live StatMux a fully managed service using the underlying technology that allocates bits in real time among multiple live video channels, multiple single program transport stream, and then combining the encoded outputs into a single multi-program transport stream, MPTS, providing bandwidth savings from 20 to 40% compared to constant bit rates. With StatMux, you can process and originate live content and share it with distribution partners for delivery over satellite, cable, or terrestrial networks at ease. Amazon S3, Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3, an object storage service offering industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. Customers of all sizes and industries can store, protect any amount of data for virtually any use case, such as data lakes, cloud-native applications, mobile apps. With cost-effective storage classes and easy-to-use management features, you can optimize cost, organize data, configure fine-tuned access controls to meet specific business, organizational, and compliance requirements. Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network, a CDN service built for high performance, security, and developer convenience to deliver low latency performance and high speed experience to end users in a secure manner. With deep integration with AWS Media Services and AWS Elemental, customers can deliver high quality video streams to any device and any locations. With AWS, customers don't have to worry about infrastructure and instead can focus on meeting consumer demand and delivering value to their customers. The real power is now to see how each of these services can seamlessly integrate with each other and deliver a very efficient workflow to the customers. In a single region architecture, what we can see is how the traditional architecture involving multiple partners is replaced with AWS providing customers with all the necessary services that can be managed from a single pane of glass. Satellite operators are able to bring the content from the content owner into AWS Cloud using AWS Elemental Media Connect by using AWS Direct Connect or over the internet, encode the content using Elemental Media Live. AWS Elemental Media Live itself comes with a multi-availability zone infrastructure to accept two active sources in different availability zones, ensuring it is isolated from each other, thereby providing higher availability and redundancy. That way the customer does not need to plan for any infrastructure, and all they need to do is to have dual sources feeding to the AWS cloud. AWS Elemental Media Live StatMux statistically multiplex the multiple streams within the configured bitrate and has the ability to dynamically vary the bandwidth allocated to the specific channel depending on the content and deliver a high quality single multiplex stream of video channels in the IP format to be consumed by the satellite operator at their uplink teleport using their IP-based DVB-S2 modulators for uplink over satellite. This architecture enables satellite operators to bring their regional, local providers' content onto the AWS cloud very easily. All of these can be done with just only the AWS account, and customers can start logging into the account and configuring the end-to-end video workflow manually or use the brand new workflow wizard under the AWS Elemental Media Live service, which uses our AWS CloudFormation stack infrastructure as a code to build the end-to-end video workflow infrastructure on AWS. With cloud, the possibilities are limitless. The last slide, we saw how AWS can help satellite operators work with their local content providers easily. Now, with AWS global infrastructure at their hands, satellite operators can now work with global content providers and bring in their content to their teleport very easily for satellite uplink. The content can be seamlessly processed and integrated into their existing video workflow on AWS Cloud. With multi-region architecture, satellite operators can go global in minutes. With this ability, satellite operators can also build a robust disaster recovery plan by delivering multi-program transport stream to diversity uplink teleport sites in matter of minutes, thereby providing superior uptime services to their customers and building a critical business continuity plan for their core services. Using the AWS Management Console, satellite operators now have the ability to quickly build new services and unlock business value. For example, AWS can help customers seamlessly deploy a playout server from AWS Marketplace. AWS Marketplace is a curated digital catalog that lists thousands of software solutions with flexible pricing options to help customers find, buy, and immediately start using the software and services that run on AWS. Flexibility to customers are offered in the form of software as a service contracts, hourly billing, annual licenses, and private offers are examples of different payment options to choose from. Customers still have a single billing from AWS and avoid having multiple purchase contracts. The architecture solution that we are seeing here demonstrates the seamless integration between AWS Media Services and AWS Marketplace products. In this example, the playout servers can seamlessly deliver the playlist content to the Elemental Media Live for encoding and processing for live events. With customer-defined identity and access management policies, the playout servers can also have the ability to have access to Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3, to fetch stored video content seamlessly for video on demand services. So far, we had a look at video business trends, the challenges that are faced by satellite operators, and we learned how AWS can help satellite operators to build secure, highly scalable, available, and reliable architectures for video services using a suite of AWS media services. Now, how satellite operators get benefited by modernizing their content distribution solution on AWS, and how does it help to address the traditional challenges? With a suite of AWS managed services for content acquisition, processing, and distribution, satellite operators are now able to focus on meeting the demands of delivering video channels in multi-resolution, multi-format, multi-screen at speed, scale, and low cost without needing to worry about infrastructure requirements. With AWS global private infrastructure at their hands, satellite operators can now go the extra mile to send and receive content from anywhere across the globe in few clicks directly from customer locations or from content owners' AWS accounts. With assistance from AI-based detections, artificial intelligence-based detections, human operators can focus on higher-level tasks, respond to issues faster, and monitor larger number of channels with higher quality. Seamless integration between AWS services such as AWS Elemental Media Services, storage, artificial intelligence, machine learning, enables them to build an automated, efficient live stream and video on demand workflows with fine grained access control and permissions. Satellite operators can now create new monetization opportunities cost effectively without needing any large upfront capital expenses by deploying new solutions such as Playout using software as a service offering from AWS Marketplace and seamlessly integrate into their workflow. With consumer video consumption patterns changing continuously and the need to have an elastic, scalable, and agile infrastructure, supporting dynamic consumer patterns at low cost becomes very important. Satellite operators can unlock new business value by modernizing their content distribution system on AWS. Do you want to get involved in space and satellite? There's a lot we can share with you to help you on your space journey. You can learn more about aerospace and satellite solutions, benefit from the startup programs, and leverage experts from AWS and our partner network. To gain more confidence and hands-on experience with AWS, access the digital training built by AWS experts, attend our instructor-led classes by qualified AWS instructors, and learn how to design, deploy, and operate highly available, cost-effective, and secure applications on AWS. Validate your technical expertise with AWS and use practice exams to help you prepare for AWS certification. Thank you again for attending this session, and we really appreciate your feedback so we can better understand the topics and services you would like to know more about. So please do take time to fill out our survey and let us know what you think. Thank you once again, APSCC, for this opportunity.